analogies, where metaphors is what we correlate something to, or correspond something to. An analogy is where we find the collection of commonalities. Nash's whole idea, Nash equilibrium, for John Nash, governing dynamics, or game theory used in economics basically, was really a metaphor. He extracted from a bar scene between him and his colleagues, so there were multiple girls, and the whole objective was, my point for saying this was, I forgot the term, I forgot the whole, my point for saying this, I couldn't understand what is the relationship between Nash equilibrium and governing dynamics, and how does that relate to music. I guess it's metaphorical. It's all metaphor. I guess the whole point for this Nash equilibrium subconsciously popping up in my head was to state that I guess it's to postulate that if I'm going to at least try to find a commonality between two disparate concepts, I have to converge them. That confluence is really contingent on a metaphor. Yeah, metaphors. So basically, if you have an incongruity, or call it a juxtaposition of incongruity, and you want to merge incompatibility,